Hey, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos, coming back and liking, commenting and sharing our videos. We do appreciate your support. And now again, I'm going to be thanking you for making us reach 5k. I don't take it for granted. We are now at 5k subscribers and we are on the road to 10k. Hopefully by next year we'll be at 10k subscribers. Yeah, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you a small clip on how to mount your TV and make your living room look more modern or more organized or more, let's say, beautiful. As you can see already, the wallpaper was up, and now I'm just going to be mounting the TV. So the process is usually you have to have a drill, that is to drill the holes as you have seen in the first clip of this video. You need to drill the holes, and depending with the mounting bracket that you have, for this one I was going to be drilling 4 holes. As you have seen, there is these plastic things that come with the bracket. They are called wall plugs. Then you put them in the holes so that when you tighten these screws that you see on the screen, they will not shake or do anything or come out, so it will be so tight. Yeah, so after that you are going to be you are going to tighten these screws that you see, and then after that you just place your TV. There is another bracket, the partner for this. I don't know, it comes as a pair, one for the wall and the other one for the back of the TV. So I've already did attach the one at the back of the TV. It's straightforward. It's something that you don't need to see or learn that much to know how to do it. It's just straightforward. It has 4 holes, 4 screws, and then the holes are at the back of the TV, so you just attach there and make sure everything is always tight and firm so that you don't find your TV has fallen down. After that, you just place your TV on the other bracket like this. It just locks because it was made like that. It just locks, and then it has 2 screws that you are going to be attaching. Unfortunately, I cannot record it because it's a small space. You just need to squeeze your hand down there and tighten it. Then after here, I know some of you might have noticed that there is a TV stand there. This is a TV stand that I also did make for him, and I'm just going to be showing you some clips here on how I did make it. But if you want a full video, the video is in this channel. You can just visit our channel and watch the video on how we did make this TV stand. And then for the lightings, that is something you need to call someone who knows how to do these lightings. Of which some of these lights they are just straightforward. They have their own glue. You just attach them, plug them to the socket, and then they have a remote, something that anyone can do. But the others, for this critical wiring, you just need to call someone to assist you, nothing more. Yeah, so watch the video, make sure to comment and like this video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. And I'm sorry if I did talk too much in this video today. I just feel like talking to you guys. Yeah, watch the video and tell me what you think in the comment section below.